The secret to making money with your laptop. Hey, do you have a laptop? You plan on getting a laptop? You can make money with it. I know I have this laptop here. As a matter of fact, since I've started my business 2009, I've had 3 laptops. I had a PC. I'll never go back to PC again. And then I had a Mac Air. And then about a year and a half ago, I got this laptop right here. This is a MacBook Pro. I didn't need this. I got to tell you, my Mac Air was probably fine. It was starting to get a little bit slow. I had had it for, I want to say about 6 years, something like that. And I wanted this one because it was nicer. Now this laptop has made me millions of dollars. No, I'm not kidding. It's made me millions of dollars because of the things I did with it. In this video, I want to share some of those things with you so that you can do the same thing. If you've got a laptop like this, just like this, or like the one you've got, remember I started with a PC and made money. So if I can make money with a PC, and I'm not making fun of PC people, am I? Maybe I am. I don't mean to, but bottom line is I like Apple a lot, but this has made me a lot of money. And what I want to do is I want to give you some of the ways you can make money online. This is not exhaustive. Okay. There's tons of ways, but some of these things are pretty simple things that you can do to make money online. So let's jump into that right now. The first way is point programs and surveys. You can take surveys with your laptop out there and make money. There's websites like Swag Bucks. You can go to Swag Bucks. I would recommend Swag Bucks. That's a pretty good one. There's also Prize Rebel. You can go there. There's Instant GC. You can go there. All of these places will let you make money. Now if you want to do surveys, you can go to Paid Viewpoint. You can go to branded surveys. You can go to Survey Junkie, and you can just take surveys and make money. So if you just want to mindlessly do some surveys off to the side, use your laptop and make some cash, you can do that, and you can do it pretty quick. The second way is online craft sales. Now I'm not a crafty person, and yet I could still make money with online craft sales. Why can I do that? Because I could go to a website like Etsy, and Etsy has to be all handmade items. Do you think I'm going to make handmade items? However, Etsy also allows mugs and t-shirts and hats and bedspreads and whatever from a print-on-demand company. So those are considered handmade products. So you could go to a print-on-demand company, list those products on Etsy and sell it. They're there now. I mean, you can go to Etsy right now and you're going to find all kinds of t-shirts and hats and mugs and spreads and curtains and throw rugs and whatever, and they're all print on demand. So selling handcrafted items, you could do that on Etsy. Now maybe you're good at actually making something handcrafted. This bell, this was handcrafted, and by the way, ring the bell, turn on all notifications down there so that every time I do a video you will be notified. Don't forget to subscribe, because that bell won't even show up until you do that. You gotta subscribe. But the point is, there's a lot of handmade things there, but there's a lot of things that you don't have to physically make, and that's a great way to make money online. The next way to make money, number 3, is reselling items. That's right, reselling items. I literally know of people that will go to the dollar store and buy dollar items and put them up on eBay and Amazon for $2 or $3. It's funny, some of the deals you get there. I remember I was buying some Heinz 57. I like Heinz 57 for some reason, and in the grocery store I think it's like $5 and something a bottle, and then Amazon had it for $5 or $6 a bottle. And I walked into the dollar store one day and they had it for $1. I'm like, $1? Wow, you could literally buy Heinz 57 sauce and sell it on eBay or Amazon for 3 or 4 times what you paid for it. Now I'm not saying you want to do that, but there's a lot of items. You can go to garage sales. You can, there's buy and sell groups on Facebook now. There's a buy nothing group I know my wife is a member of, because we give away a lot of stuff in there, and people just give away stuff they have at their house. They don't need it anymore, they just give it away, and that stuff obviously has value. You could go pick up that stuff, list it on eBay and sell it, and your cost for the item is 0. Or if you go to garage sales, you can get stuff pretty cheap too and resell that stuff on eBay. There's simple ways that you can use this laptop here to make money. The next way to make money is through blogging or vlogging, either one you want to look at it. Blogging is of course written, vlogging is video documented subject matter. Now how do you make money though? You go, well, if I write, how do I make money off that? How's that going to work? Well, the vlog or the blog, just like this video I'm making right now, is just to get an audience. Okay, once you have that audience, you need to sell them something. Okay, so down in the description there I've got a free course. You could opt in for a free course down there. It's a $97 course. click and learn. But if you opt in for my free course, I have some other stuff and I'd like to show it to you and sell it to you. I mean, I really do want to make money. Okay, that's my whole point online. But you could also have affiliate links within your blog or vlog. So these affiliate links could go to Amazon and you could make money from products they buy. And even if they click on that link and they go to Amazon, they don't buy that product. If they buy anything within the next, I think 72 hours, you're going to get a commission on it. So you could do that also in your vlog or blog. Also on your blog, you could put native ads on there. Ads could pop up on there and you could make money from AdSense on the ads on your blog. So that's another way to make money. If you have a video channel like I do here on YouTube, YouTube can put ads on your videos and you get paid as those ads run. So that's another way to make money. So blogging and vlogging in itself doesn't make money. It's all the ancillary things that are hooked into it that help you make money. Number 5, sell your services. What are your services? What can you do? Can you make a website? Can you write emails? Can you build a sales page? Can you do data entry? Can you answer a phone? There's so many things you could do, and all of these are online and you can get paid for them. You can go to sites like Fiverr, put your profile on Fiverr and put what your talents are. And if you don't have talents, I tell people this over and over again, get some, just go get them. They're out there. Okay, go watch YouTube videos on how to make a website and start selling your services on how to make a website. Go watch YouTube videos on doing Facebook ads, or heck, I have a Facebook ads course down in the description. You could grab that course, learn how to do Facebook ads, and you could sell that service to businesses in your town. There's plenty of restaurants, there's plenty of nail salons, especially after COVID-19, that are going to need business. They need to get their business in. And you say, well, why don't they just do it themselves? Because they don't have time. They're running their business. They're running the nail salon, the barbershop, the restaurant. They don't have time to get into ads, but you do. And you can charge people $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 a month just to do their ads. What if you had 10 clients at $3 grand? That's $30,000 a month you could have coming in from this laptop right here. Okay, it's that simple. Next thing you can do is sell digital products. I have a bunch of digital products. I have courses and I have downloads. I have all these things that I can sell and they generate money for me on a daily basis. Digital courses are a great thing to learn how to do. Now I have a lot of videos on this channel, and if you search digital products or digital courses within my channel, you're going to find some more videos, and I'll teach you how to do it. I'll teach you for free how to do digital products, and you can have monthly income every single month off your digital products. So I don't want you to think of this laptop as something that costs you money. If you buy a car, for the most part, unless you're using it for Uber, or unless you're renting out your car, it's not going to make you any money. It's going to go down in value. This laptop here has made, and my other laptops have made me millions of dollars. They just have, because of the things I can do with them. I could take this laptop to any country in the world and start typing on it and have money coming in. I mean, that's really pretty cool. I mean, that didn't exist 25, 30 years ago. That wasn't even a thing. And now there's people that are, I guess becoming overnight millionaires. If overnight means 6 months to a year, I mean, in 6 months to a year, you can make a lot of money. It was, I think, within the first 24 months when I started my business, we hit $1 million. And I was like, wow, that's pretty cool, because that didn't exist before. And I also want to prefix it with this. I didn't know how to make money online. Okay, I didn't have a product to sell. I wasn't good at sending emails. I can't type to this day, but I made money online because I learned those things. And you can learn the same things too on this channel. I would challenge you, go through my channel, watch 100 videos, and I bet you if you watch 100 videos, you'll be able to make money online. Probably 50, but I would say 100. Watch 100. I need the watch time. Okay, really, honestly, I need the watch time, but it will help you, because all of the videos on this channel are there to assist you in making money online. Now, have you tried some of these things? Have you tried to make money online? Do you have a laptop? I want to hear about that. There's a comment section below there, and I want you to tell me about your experiences. Maybe you have some special skills that you're not certain would make you money. Put that comment below, because I'll look at that and I'll direct you to where you need to go with that skill, or I'll let you know if I think that'll make you money. Maybe you've already made money. Maybe you're saying, hey JR, I figured this stuff out and I've made a lot of money. Put that in the comments below. Not only is that cool for me to read, but all the other people that see your comments there, it will encourage them. And isn't that what you want to do? Encourage people, make their lives better. And if you've got some other talents, the one thing I want to give you as a bonus is ebooks. ebooks, 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 they're so good. And you can also turn ebook into a hardcover book or soft cover book. But the point with ebooks is somebody actually can buy a book from you, and when they buy the book from you, they get an electronic file. So that doesn't cost you anything. Okay, so they can actually give you money and you can give them an electronic file. And if you are not skilled at writing books, you can certainly hire somebody on Fiverr or Upwork, give them the idea, give them the outline, and they can actually write the ebook for you. And one other thing I would tell you about ebooks is people like shorter rather than longer. They don't want a 600-page book. They just don't. Okay, most people would really shy away from 600-page books. As a matter of fact, I've never seen a survey on this, but I'd like to see a survey on how many pages is in a book versus how well the sales are. Now certainly there's going to be exceptions like Harry Potter or Stephen King, you know, who have a following. But if people are judging books by their cover, and they do, and they look at how many pages are there, and your book is 60 pages, and you say, hey, you know, in 2 hours you could go through my book and know how to ski better, know how to run better, know how to cook better, know how to exercise better, know how to lose weight faster. If you could do that in 2 hours, most people are going to be in. If I say, well, it's going to take you about 3 or 4 days to read this book, they're going to go, yeah, maybe not. So you don't have to have a long book either, but ebooks can really make you some money. Now if you've gained some value from this video, I want you to like it below. Do me a favor, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a button there, and once you subscribe, you want to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so that I can let you know every time I do a new video and when I go live, so me and you can talk one-on-one. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.